Welcome to Bestsellers Market, where we dive deep into the top-performing products that are making waves across the web. Today, we're turning our focus to the heart and soul of your tech setup, those critical internal components that keep your system running smooth and fast. Whether you're a seasoned builder or just looking to upgrade, this countdown is packed with the best of the best. In this episode, we'll be showcasing the hottest internal components flying off the shelves on Amazon right now. We've scoured the market, analyzed the numbers, and today we're bringing you the ultimate list. So without further ado, let's dive into the countdown and explore the best-selling internal components you need to know about. Let's get started. Imagine the heart of your gaming rig or creative workstation beating with unparalleled speed and power. This is where the Corsair Vengeance LPX DDR4 RAM steps in, redefining what your system can do. The Vengeance LPX isn't just memory. It's a performance powerhouse, engineered for those who demand more. Every module is crafted with hand-sorted memory chips, the finest selection for those who refuse to settle for mediocrity. Why? Because when it comes to overclocking, you need headroom, room to push, to go beyond, to exceed the limits. This isn't just about speed, it's about unleashing the full potential of your CPU, driving every task with precision and raw power. And what about compatibility? The Vengeance LPX is optimized for the latest Intel and AMD DDR4 motherboards. It's like finding the perfect key to unlock your system's full capabilities, ensuring smooth performance no matter your build. But it's not just about what's under the hood. The sleek, low-profile design, standing at just 34 mm, means it fits seamlessly into even the most compact cases. Small form factor? No problem. This RAM is as flexible as it is powerful. Now let's talk cooling. Performance like this generates heat, lots of it. The solid aluminum heat spreader of the Vengeance LPX is no ordinary feature. It's an essential part of what makes this RAM a beast. It's designed to pull heat away from the memory chips, directing it into your system's cooling path. This means you can push your system harder without worrying about it breaking a sweat. With Intel XMP 2.0 support, you're just a click away from optimized settings. Simple, fast, and efficient. Every great component should be. And yes, it's available in multiple colors because your system should look as good as it performs. The Corsair Vengeance LPX DDR4 RAM is not just another component. It's the key to unlocking the next level of your computing experience. It's speed, it's power, it's style, all in one. At number 4, we have a powerhouse that redefines the standards of desktop processing. The AMD Ryzen 7800X3D. This isn't just a processor, it's the heartbeat of your machine, pulsing with precision, efficiency, and sheer performance. Let's start with its architecture. Built on cutting-edge 5 nanometers process technology, the Ryzen 7 7800X3D is engineered for reliability and maximum productivity. What does that mean for you? It means faster computations, smoother multitasking, and a system that keeps up with your pace, no matter how intense the workload. With 8 cores and 16 threads, this octa-core marvel is designed to juggle tasks effortlessly. Whether you're rendering high-resolution videos, running complex simulations, or dominating in the latest games, the Ryzen 7 7800X3D delivers every time without breaking a sweat. And let's not overlook its cache memory. With 8 MB of L2 and a whopping 96 MB of L3 cache, you get instant access to frequently used data. This isn't just a bump in performance, it's a leap, providing an excellent hit rate and minimizing latency so your system feels incredibly responsive. Clocked at an impressive 4.20 gigahertz, this processor ensures that instructions are executed swiftly and efficiently. It's about dependable, fast execution, the kind that maximizes convenience and transforms your user experience. Graphics, AMD has you covered there too. Equipped with an AMD Radeon graphics controller, the Ryzen 7800X3D doesn't just perform, it also delivers stunning visual output. Crisp, vibrant, and immersive, your games and media have never looked better. And all of this in a processor that maintains a maximum operating temperature of just 89 degrees Celsius, ensuring your system stays cool and reliable even under heavy loads. The AMD Ryzen 7 7800X3D isn't just a component, it's the engine that drives your digital world. Fast, efficient, and built for those who demand the best. At number 3 on our list is a game changer for cooling performance, Thermal Grizzly Cryonaut. This isn't just thermal paste. It's the secret weapon in the battle against heat, designed to keep your system running cool and efficient, no matter how intense the load. Let's talk numbers. With a staggering thermal conductivity of 12.5 watts per meter Kelvin, Cryonaut delivers extreme heat transfer capabilities. Whether you're running a high-performance gaming rig or pushing the limits in an industrial cooling system, this thermal paste is up to the task, ensuring your processors and graphics cards stay cool under pressure. But high performance doesn't have to mean complicated application. Cryonaut comes with a specially designed syringe and spatula, making it incredibly easy to apply. It's about precision, ensuring every drop is placed perfectly for maximum effect. No mess, no stress, just flawless coverage every time, and the results? Immediate. From the first application, you'll notice a significant drop in temperatures, creating a more comfortable and efficient operational environment. It's not just about cooling, it's about unlocking the full potential of your hardware. Longevity is where Cryonaut truly shines. Its unique structure is built to last, maintaining its performance even at temperatures as high as 80 degrees Celsius. No drying out, no degradation, just consistent, reliable cooling performance over the long haul. This isn't just any thermal paste, it's the market leader. Extensively tested and proven, Cryonaut has earned its reputation among both standard users and hardcore overclocking enthusiasts. When you demand the best for your system, you reach for Thermal Grizzly Cryonaut. Elevate your cooling game, protect your components, and experience the difference that top-tier thermal paste can make. This is the choice of champions for those who know that cooling is everything. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling internal components on Amazon? Well, don't let your system overheat. Cool down by liking, subscribing, and pressing the bell icon so you never miss an upgrade. At number 2 on our countdown, we have a product that's become a trusted staple in the world of thermal management, the Arctic MX4 thermal paste. Renowned for its performance and reliability, the MX4 is the go-to solution for anyone serious about cooling their CPU or GPU effectively. The secret behind its excellence? It's all in the composition. Made from carbon microparticles, the MX4 offers exceptionally high thermal conductivity, ensuring that heat is quickly and efficiently transferred away from your processor. This isn't just about cooling, it's about maximizing your system's potential, letting your components run at their best without the risk of overheating. Safety is paramount when dealing with internal components, and Arctic knows this well. The MX4 is metal-free and non-electrically conductive, which means there's zero risk of short circuits or damage to your hardware. You can apply it with confidence, knowing your CPU and VGA cards are in safe hands. Now, performance like this doesn't have to be complicated. Arctic has ensured that the MX4 is incredibly easy to apply. Its ideal consistency means you get a smooth, even application every time, whether you're a seasoned pro or first-time builder. Plus, with the included spatula, the process is as effortless as it gets, but it's not just about ease of use or performance, it's about trust. The MX4 comes with a 100% authenticity check, allowing you to verify the genuineness of your purchase so you know you're getting the real deal every time. The design of the packaging may have evolved over time, but one thing has remained constant: the unwavering quality of the MX4 formula. This is a thermal paste that has stood the test of time, delivering consistent premium performance that professionals and enthusiasts alike have come to rely on. For anyone looking to ensure their system stays cool, runs efficiently, and lasts longer, the Arctic MX4 is the ultimate choice. It's not just thermal paste, it's peace of mind in a tube. And finally, taking the top spot on our countdown of the best-selling internal components on Amazon, we have the Corsair TM 30 Performance Thermal Paste, a product that redefines the art of cooling. This isn't just any thermal compound, it's the go-to solution for enthusiasts who demand nothing but the best for their CPUs and GPUs. Crafted with premium zinc oxide, the TM30 is engineered for optimal thermal performance. It's the difference between a system that simply runs and one that truly excels. When you're looking to push your hardware to the limit, you need a thermal paste that can handle the heat. And that's exactly what the TM30 delivers. Whether you're building a new rig or looking to enhance the performance of your current setup, applying the TM30 to your CPU and GPU can dramatically improve heat transfer, leading to lower temperatures and more stable performance. This isn't just cooling. This is about unlocking the true potential of your components. What sets the TM30 apart is its ultra-low thermal impedance, a feature that directly translates to improved CPU cooling compared to common thermal pastes. This means your processor runs cooler, more efficiently, and with greater reliability, because in the world of high-performance computing, every degree counts. Corsair has made installation a breeze. With an included application stencil and spreader, you can say goodbye to the guesswork. The TM30 flows effortlessly, filling even the tiniest microscopic abrasions and channels for a perfect thermal interface. The result? Peak thermal transfer that ensures your system operates at its best. Longevity is key, and the TM30 excels here too. Designed with a high-stability liquid compound, it boasts a long service life without drying out, cracking, or losing its consistency. It's a one-time application that delivers years of reliable cooling. And safety, that's non-negotiable. The TM30 is non-conductive, free from volatile compounds, and completely safe for you and your PC. It's the peace of mind you need when working with the heart of your system. The Corsair TM30 isn't just the #1 bestseller for internal components. It's a testament to what happens when superior engineering meets unwavering performance standards. This is the thermal paste that ensures your system stays cool, stable, and ready for anything you throw at it. We hope you enjoyed counting down the best-selling internal components on Amazon. To keep up with all the top picks, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Plus, check out the pinned comment for links to all the products we covered today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.